Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet table cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet table cover design refers to a handcrafted tablecloth or table genre made using crochet techniques. These designs are created by interlocking loops of yarn or thread with a crochet hook, resulting in intricate patterns. Crochet table covers can range from simple, minimalist designs to elaborate, neck-like patterns. Key features of crochet table cover designs: materials commonly made with cotton or light thread for a delicate look. Though thicker yarns can also be used for sturdier designs. Patterns, floral motifs, roses, daisies, or other flowers are popular. Geometric designs, repeated squares, circles, or diamonds. Fillet crochet features open and closed spaces that create images or intricate designs. Jolly inspired, circular or oval shapes with a leg-like appearance. Shapes: square, rectangular, circular, or oval, depending on the table shape. Size: available as full table covers, table runners, or placemats. Style: often associated with vintage or traditional decor, but modern minimalist patterns are also available. Applications: perfect for dining tables, coffee tables, or side tables. Add a cozy handmade touch to a rustic farmhouse or bohemian interiors, often layered over solid tablecloths to enhance their design. Here are some detailed tips for selecting, making, or using a crochet table cover design. Choosing the right design: match the decor style. Choose intricate-like designs for vintage or classic interiors, and minimalist patterns for modern decor. For a farmhouse look, opt for natural or earthy tones. Size considerations: ensure the table cover fits your table perfectly. Measure the table dimensions, keeping in mind the desired overhang length. Shape capability: select a design that complements your table shape. Round patterns for circular tables and rectangular patterns for dining or console tables. Material selection: thread type: use fine cotton or linen thread for delicate, intricate designs. Thicker yarn is better for casual travel covers. Color: neutral shades like white, cream, or beige are classic and versatile for a bold statement, chatty, or pastel colors. that are easy to clean and maintain, especially if the table cover will be used daily. Pattern ideas, floral motifs great for spring or summer vibes, add charm and softness to your space. Geometric patterns provide a modern or Scandinavian touch. Seasonal themes choose patterns with snowflakes for winter, leaves for autumn, or bright blooms for spring or summer. Die crochet tips. Skill level. Start with simpler patterns if you are a beginner and gradually move to complex ones, like flip crochet or pineapple motifs. Tools. Use the appropriate crochet hook size for the thread or yarn you select. A finer thread requires a smaller hook. Blocking. After completing the crochet, block the table cover to give it a grip. Professional finish. This involves cutting and shaping it to the desired size and letting it dry. Care and maintenance. Cleaning. Hand wash delicate crochet covers with milk detergent or prevent damage. For sturdier ones, a gentle machine cycle may be safe. Storing. Fold carefully and store in a cool, dry place. Avoid sharp creases by rolling instead of folding for long-term storage. Repairing. Keep extra thread to fix small tears or two slopes of time. Creative uses layering. Place a crochet table cover over a solid table cover to create a layered effect with contrast. Customizing. Add embellishments like beads, tassels, or embroidery to personalize your cover. Versatility. Use smaller crochet designs as placemats, coasters, or centerpiece accents. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!